Hello, Skellyboy223 here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a different video. We're starting another new series. Yay! We are starting a series on banjo, kazooi, nuts and bolts. I thought I'd turn this into a series because I used to play this game. I haven't played this game since about a year ago. So I thought, why not get another game, because I need a couple more series apart from Minecraft. So yeah, look out for more episodes of these. And I also apologise to people that are subscribed to my main channel and want to see gaming videos. I've mainly been uploading on to my second channel because I guess it's because I got all sloppy and lazy and stuff, so I apologise. I will try and get some more videos out next weekend. So for now, please be patient with me. And if you haven't seen my second channel, go over there and possibly subscribe. Because I have a lot of music videos and stuff over there that I think people would love. So, yeah. But let's get back into the game, yeah. We're going back. No. Nearly knocked me off then. Doesn't this water do something to me? Isn't it supposed to do something to me? Naughty. So yes, I will also suggest other games that I could possibly turn into series. I was thinking about starting another Lego game series. What's happening here? Oh my god. Okay, I don't appreciate that. Viva Pinata. I have that game. But it's been a couple of years since I played that. Where's the... Where is... I'm looking for a certain person. Ow. Ow. There he is. Good. Good, good, good. I'd like to speak to you, Mr. Piggy. Sorry you can't see the text. I will be getting an actual camera at some point, so it will only be a couple more days that you have to put up with this, so apologies, but it's the best I can do at the moment. We bring the taxi in, yeah. Hey, I'm giving you a chance for yourself here. Yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm just, yeah, taxi, yeah, let's go. Let's pick up some people. Let's pick up some people. It's not moving. Oh. It's because it doesn't have any gas or anything. Great! Seriously, we're gonna have to... I forgot to add the stuff to actually make it move. Well, it has been a while, so... Fuel. Let's give it a medium. Right, we need to save that. Save. Taxi. Taxi. Yeah. Yeah, done. Good, thanks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Stop, bruh. I'm gonna win. Hopefully it works. Yeah, it works. Good for me. Oh, it's a little slippery if you ask me though. No, back off! Oh, cool, we just picked one up. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get into the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. There you go. I was gonna say, why weren't they getting in the car? Because they're annoying. Get out of my way. You seriously gonna do this to me? Get out of the way. I never liked the grunt box. There you go, we have Mumbo Jumbo right there. Mumbo Jumbo. Boom! Ta-da! We got a trophy as well. To be honest, I don't see what the point of the trophies are. I don't see what they do. So please, if you know what this game is, please comment in the comment section down below what the trophies do, because I really like to know. Really, what I mainly do is just do it for the jiggies, because they're really good. Well, I find them really good. Good jiggies. Was that the only level in this stage? Also, I played a little bit before this. I played a little bit before this. And I did a little bit before off camera because I was just watching some YouTube videos randomly. Yeah. Oosh! And thought, well, yeah. Is that a person? No, that's a light. I'm gonna try the very top floor. Because I don't see anyone else in here. Or in this stage. So, let's. And talking about the second channel, look out for another video. Another music-y type video. Actually, yeah, look out for a Nightcore video. Which I shall be doing. Nightcore. So look out. Some point this afternoon. Or some point after this video. Hello, person thing. What do you have to do here? Awful sorry, but I've taken a big crayon and marked this area as mine. You'll have to leave quickly now. Oh, seriously? Go on, hop it. I'm so keen to see the back of you. There's even a reward if you can achieve a certain speed on your way out. Really? Where's the humberista? Yeah, number 2. Number 2, yeah. Oh yeah, I remember this was pretty good. Bye! Well, that was easy. If only everybody around here was so quick to obey my random rules. Yeah, take a token. Yeah, you are the token. You are the token. Change vehicle. Wait, can I get a copter? A copter? Oh hell yeah. Now I can fly around and stuff. That helps. The last time I played this game, I got quite far. I mean, I played on my brother's save. Like all the other Xbox game that I played on my brother's save, and because I've got my own account now, and I can't log on to his because his account's crap. It just doesn't allow me to do it, so I have to play all the games over again, which is a little upsetting. But oh well. I can't find any more. But at least we can fly around now. This little copter, which I think is adorable. No. Alright, let's find a gate out of here then. Which is down there. It's down there. Down there. Down there. Holy smokes. Don't be rushing. Don't be rushing. Out we go. Back into Showdown Town. I guess we'll do this second stage of this, and there's a little more levels over there than there was here. There was literally only 2. I'll probably come back to check out of episode, but yeah. And also comment down in the comment section below what you think about this series. Should I carry it on? Should I keep going? I mean, give me your thoughts on things, because I would really appreciate it. Something's happening. Yeah. We got a jiggy, so we're gonna go and deal with this jiggy. We're gonna deal with this jiggy nonsense. Where's? Oh, there you go. Deal with this jiggy nonsense. Give me the jiggy. Did it land in? Oh yeah. We got a jiggy. Good for us, or good for me. I got a jiggy, I got a jiggy, I got a jiggy. We're gonna pay the gods, and hopefully they will reward us for giving them a jiggy. Give me anything. So far I've got... Oh, ready to visit another world. Oh, cool. That was quick. Can visit another world already. We'll probably save that till the next episode or something. I don't know. We'll save that till next episode. So, yeah. Come here. Yeah, give me that. Let's go. Holy smokes, I nearly ran right off. Let's go! Whee! Oh god. Oh no! Ah! Just go. Just go. Where do I place this? Over there. Or we'll be able to unlock more missions, which will be good. Hell yeah. Jump past everyone. Drive past it. Well, pow. Oi! Oi! What are you playing at, bruh? Oh, we've got some more history lessons. I think that unlocks the arena one, doesn't it? I think. I don't know. But we're going to go into the second stage and save that for the next episode. Try and run over Grunty. Well, on the way. Because no one likes Grunty. Don't pick on me, because I'll fight back. I'll show you, Grunty. Okay. New feathered friend is such a joke. Where are you? Funny. Oh, okay, whatever. I can't read everything. So let's jump into the second stage and do some more levels, because that helps a lot. That helps. Tip number 46. If you're still struggling after all these hints, time to follow Uncle Tusk's old... Oh, okay, never mind. Can I swap? Is that a person? I see it over there. Ah! Hey, I think this is a race. If I remember correctly, this is a race. Too many challenges for Honda's Super All Girl Gaming Clan. Race held to prove best hand. That's easy. I'm real good at races. Log chip racer. Alright, then we'll use that. I think, yeah, we just... Oh no, we don't. So everyone's using this vehicle. Yeah, everyone is. Get out the way, people. I could use a vehicle faster than this, but I think this is one of those missions where I have to... The hell are you playing at? Get out of the way. Move! Move. Get out of my way. Get out. The hell! I don't... This is a crappy car. but I think I have to use this. It's forcing me to use this. Oh well. Also, if I believe if I complete this mission in first, I'll be able to unlock this car as well. So, yeah. Come on. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Thanks. That helps a hell lot. No! I'm not having it. I'm not having none of you dingbats getting in my way. I am the fastest one here. One more lap to go. Oh no! I mucked up. I mucked up. Oh great! I'm gonna fail now. I'm gonna fail. Can I pick my own car, please? Because this is a crappy car. I don't like this car. Oh no, I have to use this car. Great. So I have to use this car, even though this is a crappy car and everyone gets in the way. Well, I guess it's fair because everyone else uses the same car as well. Please get out my way. If you don't get out my way now, I'm going to ram into you. Get out the way! Are they just legit trying to get in the way? Like, Mumbo's car is more likely to win because it's small. Oh, get off! Get out the way! What are you playing at? What are you playing at? Yeah, get out the way, people. Get out the way. As soon as I got out the car. Yes! Yes! No! Alright, if I muck up at all, I'm screwed. So, do not muck up. And I'll be fine. Do not muck up. And I will be fine. At least they're not in the way, so thank God. For now. I'm probably just going to jinx myself the rate I'm going. Ugh! No! What are you playing at? Get off! Get off! What the? Get off! Oh my God! Get off! You stupid! Oh my God! What the? I hate this level. I hate this level. I'm not doing this level. I absolutely hate it. It's getting on my nerves. I'm probably mucking up because it's on camera as well. Screw you. I'm not doing it. I'm not having none of this. Yeah, I'm not having none of it. I'm getting in my copter and going on my way. Yeah, I'm going on my way. This is a pretty easy vehicle to control. Pretty easy. Is there any other levels or is that the only one? Because I don't appreciate this. Is that it? Hey, it's Bottles. Let's go talk to him because he's going to be more nice, hopefully. Thanks, buddy. Bottles, I'm coming. Jump! Whee! Ow. Right, Bottles, what's up? I need to carry out maintenance work to make this console run at 100 gig laps, but the brightness level is hurting my eyes. He wears magnifying glasses stuck to his face and wonders why his short-sighted sounds like more grunt work for us banjo. The brightness control units are set way too high. I'm getting enraged. Stop making excuses, geek boy. Log helicopter. Okay, so I have to use this as well. What else? At least the level's going to be more nicer to me than the last one. So whatever. What? Stop. Or if we turn all of it off, it will get too dark. But to be honest, yeah, it hurts when the brightness is set too high. Get that away! Stop turning off on me, because I don't appreciate it. Come on, just go. Go, 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 there you go. There's one more to go. Holy smokes. One more. I'm legit good. I'll get it. I'll get the trophy. But seriously, what do the trophies do? I don't understand. The results, dumb, and the dimmer. Wow, buddy. Well, we did that. Fast work, Banjo. That leaves me plenty of time for some intense tinkering. Hold on to your prizes and stand well back. See, Bottles was much nicer to me than that other woman. You know, we'll look around. If there ain't anything else, I'll give that race one more try. Just because I don't want to go into the other worlds until next episode. So, Banjo Zooey. What does that say? What does that say? Grabbed gold. What's this say? It's my pants. Are these actual games that people have made? Is this actual games? Oh my. Well, I'll give this one more shot. But it's more likely it's going to annoy me than it is. So, I'll give it one more shot. So, let's go. Now, please. I don't. Maybe it's because these are high. See, look! I get stuck on stuff. Oh my god. Don't. Don't. Thank you, Mumbo. I knew I could count on you. Holy smokes! Yeah, last time I crashed into one of them and it got stuck under the car. I couldn't get it out. It was so annoying. You all saw that. Oh god. Holy smokes, I don't want to get plugged into one of those. Because it takes ages to get out. You get out my way, Prudhomme. Da-da. I mainly want to get the jiggy. The jiggies. A bit easier to go this way than the other way. Please give me a finishing line, please. I beg you. I feel like I'm gonna muck up at any point. Please. See! Just like that! Just like that! Just like that! Just like... No! Way! Oh yeah, I went through that! I was gonna say, if it didn't count, I was gonna be really angry. Yeah, I did it! And we've got another car added to the collection, which I will probably never use, but it'll be nice to have. Floor wiped with useless boys, Banjo take all prizes, enjoy success until showdown with Humber's hand troubles. Yeah, I don't see what your problem is, person. The hell? I think that's it. So we're gonna find where the gate is and try and get out of it. Because this is the only cop to get at the moment. Holy smokes, error. We are having problems. Okay, there you go, much better. Out my way! I'm not having none of this today. Where's my thingy? Oh, there it is. Let's go. No! My god. Let's go. Get out of here. Skedaddle. Let's skedaddle. Skedaddle out of here. Whoop! Wait. There you go. Back into Showdown Town. So in total we should get 2 more jiggies. So that means we would have got 3 jiggies in this episode, which is pretty neat, if you ask me. Nice work, you won 4 of my trophies, which adds up to another jiggy. I thought I'd get jiggies, so technically I should get another 3 jiggies. I'm gonna check around here. Oh, there you go. Yeah. I do, bruh. Good for me. Hey! And then we should get another 4 jiggies. Actually no, we'll get another jiggy. So we've got 4 jiggies in this episode, which is pretty neat, if you ask me. Is that a box up there? Sacrifice to the gods. We opened another stage. Good for us. Super brand new level. Congo's amazing game. Hero Congo save the world. So wait, did Klongo just make a game so he can feel happy about himself? We just got another level unlocked. Good for us. Hey Banjo, Humba just get delivery now. Have vehicle paths. Cool, whatevs. So I'm going to end today's Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts Let's Play video. Hope you enjoy, and all I can say now is goodbye.